When I arrived at Grahamstown, I think it was 2008, I saw opportunities in Tisuka, Hermanus and Cape Town. Ndikhule phantsi kwabalimi. I had a love for imfuyo, for one. Ndikhule ke mna ke emasimini. Ndikhokhela nenkomo, solusa, ndilima. But then ukhula kwam ke amongst that family board ndiyongena eQueen's College eQueenstown. Apho umalume wayinefama enenkukhu enenkomo. I learned more on top of farming from that side. When I came to Grahamstown, I found opportunities in terms of farming. I introduced to a farm where it was up for sale, ndingenayo imali, and I nqiphisa empokothweni, and then I sacrificed lot of months and able to pay off the farm. Then I ripped and ndadibanisa ke umama, ndibanisa usister wam, ndibanisa ubrother wam, badibana ke saqonga, hey, let's start this operation. It's something that besikhule ngayo. Umhlaba wecala mhle gqithi kakhulu. Nezi hectareages sinazo, we are trying to maximize as much as we can. We have gone into an era of speculative farming, where we look at markets and what can we get into, what produce should get into, and how we should utilize it to the maximum. One is buying in stock, selling stock. The other one is breeding. That's in the sides of ihagu, ibokwe, igusha, as well as ibosmara. And then speculative yona is ilapa is gusheni. Speculative is also on inkomo, especially for abantu bamakhaya abazosebenzisa for amasiko, as well as ibokwe ready for slaughter. If future plans is to grow and to obviously add on value chains within business lead. We take it as a business, it's not a hobby.
Lo myalezo niwuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.